original. The bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. The bad man, mash up.
Hey beauties, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all look at my boogie bag. What? This supposed to be a bonnet, y'all. Look. Golly, do you see this? Can you imagine you sleeping at night, you bonnet doing real nice, and then you wake up in the morning to your man and be like, hello, good morning, baby. He be like, what? Look, are you serious? Anyway, yeah, I'm coming to y'all looking like this, all jacked up. Anyway, okay, today I have a wig for you guys, and it is on, it's an Amazon wig, and I'm trying to pull some things up right here. It's an Amazon wig, and it is called Dorosy. And I love the packaging, the black and the pink, because black is my favorite color, and then pink is next. So the black and pink right here is my favorite. The wig is not in here. The wig comes in this little plastic bag, and it comes with a lot of other things that they use to protect the wig. So this is a 360 Brazilian body wave wig. Now we're talking about 360 lace all the way around the front, and it is pre-plucked for me. Thank you so much. So anyway, this is 180 density, and she's a length 16. So I am going to be actually trying to apply her. I don't know if I'm going to be putting the back on or not, y'all. I'm not good with that because I can't see and film it at the same time. Now, I can put it down if you guys are not watching me, and I can be able to turn around, do all of that, do that stuff, but other than that, I can't. Okay, so with that, I'm going to be using my 91% alcohol to cleanse my front with a cotton ball or a cotton pad or a cotton swab or whatever you want to use. I'm going to be using my Ghost Barn Platinum. I don't need a hold because I am going to be taking it off tonight, so which this is going to hold, but both Ghost Barn Supreme holds really good. And I'm also going to be using my True Complexion Contour Palette to be able, and this is the lights and medium, and I'm going to tell you, we talking about pan all day long. Okay, so I'm going to be using this to go ahead on and to conceal the roots, which that it really don't need it. Look like it's kind of like bleached a little bit, so yes, but I am going to use it anyway. Okay, so I'm going to be using that. I'm going to be using my blow dryer. I am going to, you see this sticking out, so I got to like gel this all back. So the wig is from Amazon, and I am going to go and try to apply this wig, guys, okay? But before I do that, I have to tell y'all what's in here. You see all of that? Let's turn her inside out. And y'all can't talk today. I don't know. So she comes with lace all around. She comes with a comb in the back, adjustable straps around here, which I really love the way they have the straps with the lace over there. That's really cute, really unique. Adjustable strap. You have the areas right here where you can place it to fit your head. You have a comb here, and you have a comb in the top, which they have a lot of combs. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but right now I see that I probably will be using them. So I'm going to go ahead on and apply this wig. This is what she looks like, and she is pre-plucked. I think that I could pre-pluck her a little bit more, but guess what? We're not about to do that one because I will be fine with her just the way she is. She is cute though. She's pre-plucked, and of course we have some baby hairs that's up around here. There's some big ass baby hairs, but it gives you an option to do whatever you want to do with it, so it's okay. But yeah, she's pretty cute. So we have some lace in here. Okay, so we have a free part lace. Oh y'all, we had some free parting.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's party, baby. VQs, let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body gets me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Ooh, she said she want the rundown. Bad man na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man na me, they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Give me not the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
Okay, baby dolls, I am back, and I just wanted to show you how you can lay your frontal, your 360 frontal, but I'm not a 360 frontal person with a ponytail. I don't like ponytails and stuff like that. Maybe I've grown out of them, but I just wanted to show you how you can lay your 360 in case if you have that problem. But right now, I am just going to lay some of this baby hair right here. I like more of a down type look for me, if I can say that. I'm more of that type of female, honey. Just some big ass baby hairs, but guess what? I like them, honey. I'm tired of them though. Really, I am tired of baby hairs, but what else can you do to hide them grids on these frontals? Nothing much, so you have to put some baby hairs there. Or even you could do like a soft little something. And I don't have time to do a soft little something, so I'm just basically gonna wet it up, see if the curl pattern, how the curl pattern falls. But yeah, I mean, I probably could get away with being a ponytail person, but I don't like ponytails at all, so I may do them for a video or for something, but other than that, I don't like ponytails for me. I see that the hair is trying to curl back up with the pattern, so, and it's supposed to be a body wave, so I'm going to crunch that a little bit. Let's get back on this side. But yeah, I like the wet look. I like it when it's dry too though, so this is more like my speed right here, guys. I like stuff like this. And far as the parting is concerned, I'm not going to pluck it. It's okay like this. To me, it is. So if you guys don't like it like this, then you know, you could do whatever else that you want to do with yours, but this is how I'm going to lay mine. No baby hairs on the sides. I don't need it. It seems like all the styles be all the same, you know? Hair be all the same. Some of it you get good hair, some of you get bad hair, but this is good hair here. And I like it. So when it dries up, it'll be exactly how I like to wear it. So, oh, it's all not wet. So, I'm content with it like this. Yes. This hair is like really soft, y'all, and it don't tangle like that. So I'm glad that it don't have that tangle in it. You know, you may have a little something you have to just bring your finger through, but once you bring your finger through, it's not even a tangle. Let's just say that. It's not even a tangle. I really like this scrunched up look. So, this is more of my speed, guys. And I need to spray my face. Really, I need to spray my face. I don't think I put any setting spray on. And I had my makeup done for a while now, so. But yeah, guys, I will put everything in the description bar that you need for this hair. That way you can purchase it if you would like to purchase it. It is 180 density. It is Brazilian body wave, and it's pre-plucked. You can go and pre-pluck it more if you want to customize it more for yourself. I didn't want to put no parting with all of that. I don't want to do all that. So this is how she looks right here. She is 16 inches long, and actually I'm starting to like hair that's short, but I do like it long now. Don't get it twisted. I like it long, but for right now, I like it kind of short because it's easier for me to maneuver around and do things. So this is the Dorosy hair again. Where is her box? I don't know what to do with the box. So this is the Dorosy hair, and she's on Amazon, and I have Amazon Prime. So if you have Amazon Prime, you could be able to get your hands on her. So I hope that you ladies got the gist of what I was trying to do. You know, that back area, honey, y'all, you can't see that thing like that. You know what I'm saying? So trying to record and see how to put the back down was like torture. It was like hell to me. Okay? So anyway, I want you guys to know to be blessed.